Hello, everyone. Welcome to yet another new episode of the Inspirant podcast series. Today, we are very much excited to introduce another student of ours who have recently been graduated and placed very soon from our Rajaji Nagar branch. Joining us today is Janvi, who has recently been placed as a software tester with an impressive package of 8 LPA. Welcome to the podcast, Janvi.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. So, Janvi, what was your first reaction when you got to know that you have been placed to such a good company?
I was really happy and relieved. After all the preparation and hard work, finally getting placed felt amazing. It still feels like a dream sometimes.
So, you're a recent graduate, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you very much confident that after the graduation and degree of yours, you will directly get placed to an IT company?
No, ma'am, because my confidence were very low. My coding skills and my communication skills were very low. But after joining DCL, I like it. Their training and guidance improved my technical and interview skills.
So, how did you get to know about DCL?
Actually, Decoding Lab conducted a CSR drive in our college.
Okay.
I got selected through that. That's where I first got introduced to DCL. Their training and guidance helped me to crack the interviews.
Okay. So, how was your journey here at DCL? You said that, I guess, first you told that you were quite underconfident and your technical knowledge was not so good. After joining DCL, what is the much difference that you have found here?
After joining DCL, the classes were too easy to understand. Not too easy, but it bit easy to understand. And trainers were always helpful to students. And also trainers were motivated to crack the interview.
All right. So, how was here? Is it too competitive or supportive or both?
I would say both, ma'am.
Okay.
Everyone was working very hard. That motivates me to do better. And also at the same time, trainers were very supportive, helped me to understand each concept.
Okay. So, in general, in interviews, we have always heard that they always ask for practical knowledge, especially the interviews that has been conducted from past 2 to 3 years. How did you learn practically, or what were the steps that you had took?
I learned confidence by practicing regularly and revising the concept regularly.
Okay.
Like that, I got confidence.
Okay, so you gain confidence through continuous revision.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
revision was the key for your success.
Yes, ma'am.
That's very nice. And revision, I guess, consistently you used to do that.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Can you just share what were your interview experiences, especially the first one or the recent one which you have been placed to?
Actually, there are 3 rounds in that interview,
Okay.
in the selection process.
Okay.
The first one was a return test. It conducted in the company itself.
All right.
They conducted written test. It includes 40 MCQs questions.
Okay.
And 10 coding programs. Out of 10, 7 were Python programming and 3 were shell scripting. Through that, I got selected. I cracked that interview, written test. Then the second round was a technical interview, face to face. Their interviews asked each and everything what I mentioned in my resume.
All right.
And they were to check my practical knowledge. And in the third round, it's a HR round. They asked myself and my career goals and what I wanted to, why I wanted to join that company, they asked.
Okay, so first round you said almost 40 MCQs were there.
Yes, ma'am.
40, everything were MCQs?
No, MCQs only, around 40 MCQs. In that, they cover topics like aptitude, Python programming, and computer networks, shell scripting, and that's all.
Shell scripting. Okay.
Because the requirement is Python and Linux, so that's why they asked about shell scripting.
Python and Linux. You have learned Linux before?
No, ma'am, but I have a hands-on experience in one of the flavor of Linux, that is Ubuntu.
Okay.
So that helped me too.
All right. So something which you have learned in your past also have helped you in your present. And the second round was technical face-to-face. In that, you said that each and every point of your resume were asked.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Can you just elaborate that a bit?
I have they asked about my intro and my projects and databases, like what are all the languages I learned. Like I mentioned HTML, CSS for web development. They asked about HTML tags, and in Python programming, like how confidence are you in, they asked like that, how confident are you in Python. Like I said, I have a basic knowledge, I have a good knowledge in that, and like oops, so I have knowledge in oops, exception handling and data structures like sets, tuples list, like that I said. Then they have asked like what which flavor you used in Windows and Linux. I mentioned
Okay.
in my resume like
Okay.
I have a hands-on experience in operating system like Windows and Linux. They asked which flavor. Like I said Windows 11. In Linux I have used Ubuntu, like that I said. And they asked about my since this role is for testing role, no, they asked about to write the test cases.
Okay, test cases and all they asked. So in testing also, manual testing, some basic questions were asked.
No ma'am, like they just asked the basic questions like what is
Okay.
software testing, what
Okay.
are all the types, like that.
All right. So I guess you had joined here for a development course,
Yes ma'am.
but how did you get the knowledge of testing then?
Like previously I attended 1 week of like a testing boot camp in DCL. They conducted a boot camp.
Okay,
Like there I got the basic fundamentals of the testing.
And that helped you a lot.
Yes ma'am.
Classes, regular classes, as well as all these kind of boot camps that has been conducted. Very nice. I can see that you are able to speak continuously. So what are the measures that you had taken to improve your communication?
Like actually I first I attended the many interviews.
Okay.
Like after each interview I used to note down what I went wrong, like what are all the areas I
Alright.
should focus on, like to improve myself and communication skills. So I keep on working, like keep on learning, revising concept. So that helped me.
Revision is again a key. You always note down the mistakes what you do. That's a hand of point, a topper then.
Yes.
That's very nice. So what's your next plan once you get placed? What's your future goals?
Obviously to take care of my family, I have responsibilities. So and to see me in a to get placed to another company like in a with a higher package than this one.
All right, that's nice. And I forgot to ask, what was your parents' reaction as soon as you said that you have been placed?
Actually they were very happy, like
Okay.
From since I'm from a government college, like there were less placement opportunities.
Correct.
But I still get placed within, like this month only I got my 8th sem results. So within almost
Okay.
10 to 15 days after my completion of my graduation, I got placed. They were very happy.
That's very impressive. I guess within 15-20 days you are getting placed. So your hard work is there.
Yes, ma'am.
So with that hard work, I guess God's grace, you have got the luck also. Very good.
But at this time I would like to thank like DCL Decoding Labs for their constant support and training and guidance, because mentors and trainers were always ready to help the students. Like because of them only I think for getting placed they helped me, like conducting mock interviews and regular practices helped me to crack this.
That's good. That's good. However, it's your hard work altogether. No matter how many people help you out, it's your effort in total. One last question. Well, now you have been placed to the company. What are your preparations that you're taking up to once you get into the company? You have to be some pre-preparation steps, right?
Yes ma'am.
Yeah.
Like since the role is testing, I should focus on testing role, like to learn something fundamentals of the testing.
So you're preparing for the role according to the designation. Oh, fire. And what's your advice, one piece of advice to your friends and fellow mates who's actually trying right now to get a new job?
I would say everyone like to stay consistent and not get discouraged by rejection. Even I faced so many interviews. There also I get rejected, but still I placed. So I would say that one, stay consistent, keep learning, practice regularly and revise concepts. Trust the process. Their efforts will definitely pay off.
Yes, that's a very good advice of yours, Janvi. Then thank you so much for joining us here, and I believe that her story have inspired a lot of you. And all the best for your future, guys. Just be consistent, work hard, revise everything what you learn, and always remember it's the practical knowledge that we need more than the theoretical knowledge. Thank you so much to join us, Janvi. Thank you.
Thank you.